how I went from 0 subscribers to 2,500 subscribers, and how you can accomplish the same thing much quicker than I. If this is something that you might be interested in, please stay tuned and don't go away. Well, hello and welcome back. Now, if you enjoyed this video that you're about to see, don't forget to hit that button like, to subscribe, and to hit that bell to get notified the next time I upload a video. So without further ado, let me get started. So first of all, thank you to all my subscribers. Because of you, I have reached the 2,500 milestone. Now, if you stay tuned all the way through the end, I will have a little surprise for all of you. It took me a long time to reach this milestone, but it doesn't have to take you as long as it took me. You can reach this milestone much faster, much quicker than me or than I. I was getting about 1 or 3 subscribers every week, but now I'm getting about an average of 2 subscribers a day. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but to me it's a big deal. I pretty much double my subscription count. And now I'm about to give you a few ideas that help me to get more subscribers, and I'm sure that these ideas are going to help you to accomplish the same thing and do this a lot faster and quicker than I did. So the number one idea or tip that I can give you is be more consistent with your videos and with your uploads. I know this sounds kind of cliche. I know that you have heard this a lot, but it is absolutely true. If you tell your viewers that you're going to upload once a week, then do just that, upload once a week. If you don't, you will lose subscribers. That happened to me, and it's going to happen to you. Now imagine that you're watching TV, and on the TV they announce that they're going to have this brand new show. Then you watch it because it's going to come on every Thursday. You watch the show, you liked it, and they play it for like 2-3 weeks straight. All of a sudden it just disappeared. Nobody told you what happened. They just don't show the show anymore. Then all of a sudden, a month, 2 months later, they come back and they start showing the same show again. Now, what's going to happen to you as a viewer? You're going to be turned off. You're not going to want to watch that show because you're like, I don't know if they're going to, put some content up again or not. It's the same thing with YouTube. It's like a TV channel. If you promise people you're going to put something up, make sure that you do. And I'm talking from experience, because I wasn't uploading as often as I should. I started losing viewers and I started losing a lot of my subscribers. But since I started up again, and hopefully, knock on wood, I will continue to do that, I'm gaining more subscribers. All right, so now to tip number 2, or idea number 2. Make better thumbnails. Make sure that you work on this. Make sure that your thumbnails are more eye-catching, that you want to make the viewers click on your thumbnails. You want your viewers to, when they see it, they look, oh, that looks interesting. Let me click right on that. So start working on your thumbnails. Start making them more eye-catching, more appealing. If you want to learn a little bit more about this, leave me a comment in the description below saying, hey, I want to learn how to do this, how to make them look a little better. And I will give you some of the ideas that I've used, and I will guide you in the right direction. I will let you know what other YouTubers are doing and how they're doing it. What I will tell you to do is look at the thumbnails that you like, and if they work for you, I'm pretty sure they're going to work for other videos, or for other viewers, I should say. And then copy them, mimic them, and try to use them yourself on your next upload, and see how that works. Maybe you get more views that way. Moving right along to tip number 3. Add a subscription link on your description. Now let me show you what I did here. Give the viewers another option to subscribe and write it right on your description. Please click here to subscribe and add the link right next to it. Sort of like what I did right here. It says click here to subscribe, and here's the link. Now when the viewers are watching my video, they go down, they see this link, a lot of them are prone to click on it. Ever since I adopted this idea, I have gotten one extra subscriber a day. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but to me, one extra subscriber a day is better than nothing a day. So try to adopt this idea, put it on your description, and see how that works for you. Tip number 4, add a subscription link right onto your video, like the one that you're going to see right on my video. So this right here is another way for the subscribers, or I should say for the viewers, when they see it, they're like, look over this, they hover over it, and it says, you know, how to use LMMS, how many subscribers, and if they click on it, it'll bring them right onto subscribing into my channel. Now, since I've implemented these ideas and I made these little changes to my channel, it's growing a little bit faster. Nothing drastic, nothing dramatic, but better than before. Now, try these ideas and let me know if they help you in the comments section below. Now, as promised, told you guys that I was going to have a little surprise for you here. Let me show you what I have for you. I have a drum kit that has 68 vintage drum machines right on it. Look at how much this thing has. It has 68 different drum machines right on there. And I'm going to give you a link right on the description below. All you have to do is click on that link. It'll bring you straight to my webpage for you to download this drum kit. Absolutely free. I'm giving it to you guys. I want to just say thank you for subscribing to my channel. This drum kit was originally by dave40.uk.com. This individual is no longer active. His webpage, he used to give out tons and tons of different drum kits and different sounds. Again, he's no longer around, but I have this drum kit that I want to share with you guys. I think it's incredible. It has so many different drum kits in there that you can use, and I'm giving it to you absolutely free, and now just because you subscribe to my channel, and I really do appreciate all of you guys. So again, thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.